how to hide posts from someone on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's post, I'm going to show you how to hide someone from your Instagram. So let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your Instagram app and then go to the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to the three horizontal lines on the top right. Now, scroll down and search for the restricted option. So go ahead and tap on it and then hit next. And from here, you can search the person that you want to restrict. This will limit the interaction without blocking or unfollowing them. And that's it. This is how you can simply hide posts from someone on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.